hingin ang kamay ng iyong anak.
Kung saan ang anak ko at alam kong makakabuti ito.
Binibini, pwede ko bang hingin ang iyong kamay?
Kung sangayon ng ginawa ng langit, bakit hindi?
Your morning eyes, I could stare like walk you by an hotel without a thought. You'd be mine, would you mind if I took your hand tonight? No, you're all that I want beside. I imagine we fell in love on that wonder moonlight sky. I think I picture us
Ate, 20 pesos nga po table, tapos isa pang ano. Dalawang order po.
I'll leave my heart with your air. So let me fly